In a colander, place 3 pieces of cheesecloth inside it like so, to set aside for later use. Place the colander in the sink. Cut 2 lemons and squeeze. You need 1/3 a cup of lemon juice for this recipe. Pour 1/3 a cup of lemon juice into a measuring cup. Now take your distilled white vinegar and pour 1/4 a cup. Combine your vinegar and your lemon juice together. Pour your 1-gallon container of milk into your Dutch oven. Add your 2 teaspoons of salt into the mixture. Make sure not to use tablespoons, as that will make it too salty. Turn the oven on to a medium-high heat. Let your milk heat up, checking it frequently with your thermometer. When it gets close to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to begin stirring your milk so it does not burn. Continue stirring and checking your thermometer. When your milk has reached 185 degrees Fahrenheit, turn off your burner. Now pour in your lemon and vinegar mixture. Gently stir the mixture in for about 8 to 10 seconds. Then leave it alone and do not touch for the next 10 minutes. Check your curd with a spatula. If it still looks like the whey is in here is a little too milky, you can add another 3 tablespoons of vinegar and let it sit for the next 3 minutes. It looks as if the curd has fully separated more from the whey. This looks nice. Grab a heating pad or a towel and bring your Dutch oven over to the prepared colander with the cheesecloth. Try to pour all of the whey and curd into the center of the cheesecloth. Let it sit and drain for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now grab the cheesecloth all around the corners and form it into a pouch. Grab a bowl or clean container and transfer the ricotta cheese into it. Take a spoon and mix around the leftover whey liquid with the curd of the ricotta cheese. Place in the fridge for the next 2 to 3 hours and you now have ricotta cheese that will last you for up to 5 days.